What the heck am I doing? I mean, who's even gonna watch 5 seconds of this video? David, it doesn't matter. The point is, you are exercising because, remember, you are shy, and that's okay. And you know that people are watching, and most of them don't care, but some might judge, and that's okay too. Remember, man, this hamburger is actually pretty good. Wow, there's so many people out in this time of the day. I wonder what the heck? Did my left testicle stick to my... Oh, it's just the bag. Alright, cool. Man, the summer heat. This camera equipment out, I mean, it's life, huh? Yeah, just live it.